Good morning all students. Now we meet in online learning SMPK Penabur. This is our first meeting in junior high school at grade 7. I hope all of us in a good condition. In this meeting, we will learn about quantity, unit, and measurement. Standard competency. Standard competency related with our unit. Quantity, unit, and measurement is applying concept of measurement for various quantities using standard quantity. In junior high school, we learn about natural science. In natural science, there is biology, physics, and chemistry. So, what is physics? Physics is branch of science which learn about nature phenomena, properties of matter, and energy. Before we talk more about physics, now we will back to our topic about measurement. Related with our topic today about measurement, what we can measure from the man on the right figure. Can we measure his mass, his height or length, and temperature? Or can we measure his wrath, love, and sorrow? In physics, the measurement deals with physical quantity only. Generally, quantity can be classified into two types. First, we call as physical quantities. Physical quantities is quantities that can be measured. For example, mass, length, temperature, etc. The second, non-physical quantities. Non-physical quantities is quantities that can be measured. For example, love, hate, sorrow, etc. Before we learn further about physical quantity, first we will learn about quantity, unit, and measurement. Now we will learn about quantity and unit. We know at the previous slide that length, mass, and temperature include in a quantity. To understand more about quantity, first we will see the activity on the right figure. From the figure, we can see that the book is measured using a ruler. While we measure length a book, we can get the result is 30 centimeters. From the activity, we can get length is quantity, 30 is number, centimeter is unit. So, what is the quantity? Quantity is something that can be measured and expressed with certain number and having a related unit. Beside quantity, from the activity, there is a unit. What is the unit? Unit is used to express dimension of a quantity, which is used as comparator in measurement. Or we can say unit is the standard used for the measurement of physical quantities. Now we will learn more about unit. Examples of unit. Meter, foot, inch are the unit for length. Kilogram, pound are the unit for mass. Second, minute, hour are the unit for time. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin are the unit for temperature. There are several systems of units. The first is called as CGS, system of units. This system was first introduced in French. It is also known as Gaussian system of units. It is based on centimeter, gram, and second as fundamental units for length, mass, and time. The second, MKS system of units. This system also was introduced in French. It is also known as French system of units. It is based on meter, kilogram, and second as fundamental units for length, mass, and time. Third, FPS system of units. This system was introduced in Britain. It is also known as British system of units. It is based on foot, pound, second as fundamental units for length, mass, and time. Fourth, International Unit of System. In 1971, General Conference on Weight and Measures held its meeting and decided a system of unit for international usage. This system is called International Units of System and abbreviated as SI from its French name. The SI unit consists of 7 basic quantities, which will be learned on the second meeting. While we talk about the unit, there are several main characteristics that must have by the unit. First, the unit should have internationally accepted. Second, the unit must be fixed. It can be changed because of weather or circumstance influence. Third, it must be easy to imitate it and reproduce it. After we have understand about quantity and unit, now we will learn about measurement. To understand about the measurement, we will see the activity from the figure below. From the figure, we see that the length of table is measured using the span. Length of the table and the span is similar quantity, length quantity. If the result of the length of table is 3 spans, so in this case the span is used as an instrument and as a unit. So from the activity, what is the understanding of measurement? Measurement is defined as a process of comparing a quantity with other similar quantity that has already defined as a unit of measurement. I think that's all our materials today. I hope all of you can understand about quantity, unit, and measurement from this video. If there is a question, you can ask to your teachers to get more understanding. God bless you.